Hi everyone! So I was doing some end-of-year hard drive cleaning and apparently I have a lot of footage that is still waiting to be edited. Some aren't usable, but I figured that I'd post this video in case it could be useful to someone out there. You'll see in this video that it looks like I just bought both of these pens, but that's not the case. I just put them back into their packaging as a reference of like, these are those products. This was probably filmed in early 2022. I'm not exactly sure, but yeah, it's been a long time ago. Anyway, what I'd like to convey about this video is that the nib sections of these two Sailor pens are interchangeable. The first pen is Sailor's Fude pen. If you're watching this video, I assume you already know what that is. If not, you can Google it and see that they're available in several colors. The main selling point is that it's an affordable way to try a Fude nib fountain pen. I'll leave links to everything down below. The other pen is Sailor's Shikiori Tsukuyo no Minamo. If you're Japanese, feel free to correct me, of course. This series only comes with a fine nib. At the time that I got it, it was probably the peak of my interest in fountain pens, and it was pretty much my grail pen. But soon after, I realized that I did not like the fine nib at all. It was way too fine for me, and I ended up rarely ever using it. I found myself gravitating towards the Fude pen much more, but one drawback that I didn't like was that I wasn't able to post the cap. One day I thought to myself, if only there were affordable pink Fude pens that I could post the cap. And so I tried swapping the nib sections, and it worked. That's pretty much all I wanted to say for today, so if you're not into the body of Sailor's Fude pen, try swapping nib sections with your other Sailor pens. I've heard that the nib sections of the Rekkuru series are also compatible, so that could be a more affordable option for you to look into. If anyone has that combo, would you please comment below to let me know if they are indeed interchangeable? I sold my Shikiori a few months ago or several months ago, I'm not sure. So I've been considering whether or not I should get the rose quartz from the Rekkuru series. Because for that, I believe it comes with an MF nib, which is like medium fine nib, which I much prefer over their fine nib. If you're interested in everything that I'm saying here but don't mind having a black pen, Sailor already offers that option known as the Profit Fude pen. Again, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Well, that's all I have for you today. I do apologize for the quality of the footage. If I still had both pens, I'd just film this all again, but hopefully this was enough to show you what I've been trying to say so far. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.